The mid-size pickup truck segment seems more competitive than ever before, but among those amazing models, there's one that stands out more than the others. It's stylish but also capable. It's luxurious but also competent off the road. And with further updates and refinements for the next year, it's on the way to solve every single complaint owners and potential buyers ever had about it. The all-new 2026 GMC Canyon is on the way, and it turns GM haters into believers. Off-road expert. Despite its polished appearance and upscale design language, the Canyon is genuinely built for serious off-road adventures. Every Canyon variant comes equipped with legitimate off-road hardware that most competitors reserve for their top-tier models. The standard Canyon already outperforms many rivals with its robust four-wheel drive system, automatic locking rear differential, and two-speed transfer case. The base suspension setup provides impressive ground clearance and articulation, while skid plates protect critical components from trail damage. Even entry-level models feature all-terrain tires and enhanced approach angles that enable genuine off-road capability. But where things get really interesting is with the AT4 and AT4X configurations, which transform this stylish pickup into an absolute off-road weapon. The AT4 trim brings the heat with genuine off-road suspension featuring increased travel and enhanced ground clearance. This isn't just marketing fluff. The suspension setup includes multimatic dampers that provide exceptional control over challenging terrain while maintaining on-road comfort. The AT4 also features comprehensive off-road protection, including reinforced skid plates covering the engine, transmission, transfer case, and fuel tank. All-terrain tires mounted on distinctive 18-inch wheels provide excellent traction on varied surfaces, while enhanced approach and departure angles enable navigation over obstacles that would stop conventional trucks. But the AT4X package takes capability to another level entirely. For the 2026 model year, AT4X is an optional package rather than a standalone trim, making ultimate off-road performance more accessible to buyers. The AT4X package delivers electronically locking front and rear differentials, the kind of hardware that serious off-road enthusiasts demand. These aren't limited slip units or electronic traction aids. They're genuine mechanical lockers that ensure maximum traction when things get challenging. The AT4X also includes a massive 3-inch suspension lift that significantly improves ground clearance and approach angles. This lift provides genuine capability improvements, not just visual enhancement. Mud-terrain tires wrapped around 17-inch black aluminum wheels provide serious grip on loose surfaces, while reinforced bumpers and additional underbody protection ensure the truck can handle impacts and scrapes that would damage lesser vehicles. Perhaps most impressive is the new Baja Drive mode, specifically calibrated for high-speed desert running. This mode optimizes throttle response, transmission mapping, and stability systems for fast-paced off-road driving, the kind of feature you'd expect to find on vehicles costing twice as much. Combined with hill descent control and electronic stability management, the AT4X provides confidence-inspiring performance in challenging conditions. Stylish workhorse. The Canyon proves that style and substance aren't mutually exclusive. While it looks sophisticated enough for executive duty, this pickup delivers working capability that puts many competitors to shame. This combination of refinement and utility addresses a real need in the marketplace. Buyers shouldn't have to choose between capability and sophistication. The Canyon's class-leading towing capacity of 7,700 pounds sets it apart from nearly every rival in the segment. This isn't just a paper specification. It's backed by a robust chassis, effective cooling systems, and intelligent trailer management technology. The truck's frame design distributes loads effectively, while the turbocharged engine provides ample torque for confident pulling power across various conditions. Whether you're hauling boats, trailers, or heavy equipment, the Canyon handles serious loads with confidence. The integrated trailer brake controller manages braking forces intelligently, while trailer sway control intervenes when needed to maintain stability. These systems work seamlessly in the background, allowing drivers to focus on the task at hand rather than managing complex trailer dynamics. Payload capacity reaches 1,670 pounds in standard configurations, providing ample capability for construction materials, recreational gear, or business equipment. The 5.2-foot bed offers 41.9 cubic feet of cargo volume with reinforced bed construction and multiple tie-down points for securing various loads. Features like the remote locking tailgate and available bed-mounted power outlets enhance practical functionality. What separates the Canyon from typical work trucks is how it maintains this capability while delivering premium comfort and convenience. The ProGrade trailering system comes standard on most trims, providing trailer sway control, hill start assist, and integrated brake controllers. Hitch view and hitch guidance systems make connecting trailers significantly easier using cameras and sensors to guide precise positioning. Underbody cameras help navigate challenging terrain or tight spaces, providing visibility that would otherwise require spotters or guesswork. These cameras integrate seamlessly with the infotainment system, offering multiple viewing angles and guidelines for enhanced spatial awareness. Exterior design. The Canyon's exterior strikes an ideal balance between sophistication and ruggedness. GMC's designers created a truck that looks equally at home in corporate parking lots and construction sites without appearing to try too hard in either direction. This design philosophy represents a mature approach to truck styling that appeals to diverse buyer preferences. The front end features GMC's signature bold grille design with distinctive LED lighting elements that immediately identify this as a premium GMC product. The grille proportions are carefully calculated to convey strength without appearing oversized or aggressive. Integrated LED daytime running lights provide distinctive lighting signatures while enhancing visibility and safety. Chrome accents on higher trims add sophistication, while darker finishes on off-road models maintain a purposeful appearance. This differentiation allows buyers to choose exterior treatments that match their intended use and personal preferences, from executive-friendly chrome to adventure-ready black accents. New color options for 2026 include Glacier Metallic, Desert Sun, and Rapids Metallic, each designed to complement the Canyon's sophisticated design language. These finishes replace previous options while maintaining the same level of depth and quality that buyers expect from premium vehicles. The metallic formulations provide durability and visual appeal that ages well over time. The Nightfall Edition package transforms the Canyon's appearance with 20-inch high-gloss black aluminum wheels, black badging, rocker panel protectors, and a bed-mounted sport bar. This package creates a distinctive appearance that stands out from standard configurations while maintaining the Canyon's refined character. The black treatments extend to exterior trim pieces and lighting surrounds for a cohesive appearance. Every exterior element serves both functional and aesthetic purposes, creating a cohesive design that ages well. Body panels are stamped for strength and rigidity, while paint processes ensure long-term durability in challenging conditions. Upscale interior. The Canyon's interior represents a significant achievement in mid-size truck luxury. While sharing mechanical components with the Chevrolet Colorado, the interior design philosophy is completely different, creating a cabin that rivals premium sedans and SUVs. This approach acknowledges that modern truck buyers expect car-like refinement without sacrificing truck capability. Material quality exceeds expectations throughout the cabin. Soft-touch surfaces cover high-contact areas, while quality plastics and thoughtful trim pieces create an environment that feels expensive and durable. Even base trim levels feature materials and finishes that would be considered premium in many competitors, demonstrating GMC's commitment to interior quality across the lineup. The technology integration is seamlessly executed without overwhelming the user experience. Every Canyon features an 11.3-inch infotainment touchscreen that provides wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Wi-Fi hotspot capability. The interface responds quickly to inputs while providing intuitive menu structures that minimize distraction during operation. Seating comfort and support exceed segment standards across all trim levels. Front seats provide excellent support for both daily driving and long-distance travel, with available power adjustments, heating, and ventilation. Rear seats accommodate adult passengers comfortably with sufficient legroom and headroom for genuine 4-passenger capability. Premium features available throughout the lineup include wireless charging, 360-degree cameras, head-up displays, and premium Bose audio systems. These aren't afterthoughts or poorly integrated additions. They're thoughtfully incorporated into the overall cabin design to enhance functionality without creating clutter. Capable powertrain. The Canyon's impressive capabilities are made possible by its sophisticated powertrain engineering. Every Canyon features the same high-output turbocharged 2.7-liter 4-cylinder engine, ensuring consistent performance across the entire lineup. This approach eliminates the confusion and compromise often associated with multiple engine options. This Turbomax engine produces 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque, figures that exceed many V6 powertrains while delivering superior efficiency. The broad torque curve provides excellent low-end pulling power for towing and hauling, while maintaining strong mid-range acceleration for highway driving and passing situations. The 8-speed automatic transmission is perfectly matched to the engine's characteristics. Gear ratios are optimized for both performance and efficiency, with close ratios for quick acceleration and tall overdrive gears for highway cruising. Intelligent shift programming adapts to driving conditions and load requirements, while manual shift capability provides precise control when needed. Fuel economy remains competitive despite the impressive performance figures. Rear-wheel drive models achieve 19 miles per gallon city and 23 miles per gallon highway, while four-wheel drive versions deliver 18 miles per gallon city and 22 miles per gallon highway. These figures represent excellent efficiency for the capability provided, particularly when compared to V6-powered competitors. The powertrain's sophistication extends beyond basic performance numbers. Advanced engine management systems optimize combustion for various conditions, while intelligent cooling systems maintain optimal temperatures during heavy towing or off-road driving. Release date and price. The 2026 GMC Canyon continues GM's successful mid-size truck strategy with production beginning very soon. Pricing reflects the Canyon's premium positioning while delivering exceptional value for the capability offered. The base elevation trim will start around $40,000, providing generous standard equipment that would be optional on many competitors. The off-road-focused AT4 will begin near $47,000, while the luxury Denali will reach approximately $54,000. AT4X package pricing provides exceptional value for the capability offered, making serious off-road performance accessible to more buyers than ever before. But as mentioned, the competition is tougher than ever before and rivals are shaping up for the next year as well. Check out this video about the reasons to wait for the 2026 Nissan Frontier, which you can now see on the screen. The Japanese automaker continues to perfect this truck in its own way by mixing modern features with an old-school design approach.